Hello, Mzantu. Welcome to Ask Kuluma with Proof. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend as Sthelo, Shozi and Mihlali Ndamase. Ngemva kokuthi recently babonakale bafaka ama-status or ma-yinto titori tabo Forex yabo bet ini lapha kuma-story abo promoting i-Forex ke sana, and people were like, hayibo kwenzakalani ngema-content creator asemzansi. Uthi the official perfume plug, a content creator has reached a level of not giving F when they start encouraging people to use betting, Forex, investing platforms, no professional expertise, no consideration of the impact on their impressionable followers. Nkosi yami isikhuwa. Just looking invoices ke sana uthi abasanandzaba nahe abanandzaba nokuthi ma-followers abo atuthini abacabangeli ma-followers abo, just bona as long as they are making money bapromotana noma ngabe yini kwasani lapha kuma-social media platforms. We've seen u-Andiswa the Bomb doing this several times, and ngihlala ngibuta ngithi why hlala promota i-Forex ugele, like why ayisekho indole engingayipromotha, amafutha ivaseline Colgate yini guys. Forex yo hayi ave vele kuyehlisa isidima se-content creator ku-posta nje nama-Forex. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.